Plastics Technical Hub. Heat pickup from process. Hot water or fluid comes from the machine, process, molding machine, extruder, PET line. This hot fluid enters the Frigel chiller. Inside the chiller, the process water passes through a heat exchanger. Heat is transferred from the process water to the refrigerant or cooling circuit. Cooling cycle. The refrigerant absorbs heat and evaporates. The compressor compresses the refrigerant, increasing its pressure and temperature. Heat is rejected through air-cooled condenser, fans blow air, or water-cooled condenser, cooling tower water. Temperature control. Cooled water is sent back to the process at a set temperature. Sensors and PLC continuously monitor and adjust cooling load. Continuous operation. The cycle repeats to maintain stable and energy-efficient cooling. Frigel systems optimize water and energy usage automatically.